Looks for danger. Hey guys, do you think that mass ETF sell-off of Bitcoin could have been coordinated? Institutions possibly stress testing Bitcoin market. Uh, yeah, I mean to some extent. I mean Grayscale had been buying or had been selling for a while, anyways. Um, but yeah, I don't think it really matters that much. I think that what do you call it? Once you saw certain levels of price get taken down, it was gonna bring momentum in that section anyway. So um, it's kind of the thing. It's like, do you need to know what's happening in the background, or do you just like, hey, I saw how the chart moved, and I'll be like, okay, I can play accordingly. Like usually, you make most of your decisions in real time without that knowledge of information, really. So I don't know if it really matters all that much at the end of the day because Wall Street's going to do what they're going to do. But what do you think?
I mean, I've said this before. At some point, they are going to be mostly mass selling because the losses are going to be bad. But we've said this before. As soon as the ETF launched, it was a good idea to buy for like 2-3 months, which was true. So anyone who had bought during that time when we said so, congratulations, you're welcome. Money was made. But yeah, the ETF today just had like the biggest inflows ever. Even past, I think I saw it somewhere. It was like $56 million of inflows happened today, which was more than I think on the second day of the launch of the ETF.
Interesting.
So massive inflows. But yesterday we had the first outflows for the first time since its launch and stuff. So mostly net buying, almost no one really selling. And then yesterday we had a little bit of selling that happened. Well, I think it was like $11 million. So those guys like, oh my God, it's going back up. So they FOMO hard back in and traded back in and buy even more. Well, shit, I'm down on my position. Well, I'll just buy more.
Yeah, and a lot of asset managers are starting to look into buying it too. So for their clients and stuff like that. So yeah, lots of bullish stuff there overall.